Ano po yung sabi ni Boss Win? Ah, we have had rain in the afternoon of the last 4 days. Oh, I see. We never had rain. Everything is so dry here. My goodness, yes. Everything is so dry. So I need to get off very soon. Na, 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 na. The pub, the pub, the pub. Cozy Beer Garden. Okay, right. We didn't have any rain, so I'm gonna go downstairs. Okay. Ayan. My next stop is this one. Ayan, thank you Joyce for joining. Ayan, bababa na po ako very soon. Oh my God, it didn't caught. Missed the minute. It did caught by the red light. Ayan po, red light. It's almost in the corner to go to that end. What was that? And you, have a nice day. Thank you so much. Eksakto ko lang tong 30 minutes. Ayan. I'll wait for 30 minutes. And then I will end this live. Ayan po yung handle if you're standing. It's such a hot day. Very hot day. When I get back, as soon as I get back, look at this. The bus wee wee. The bus did a wee 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 all day long. Yeah, this is where I need to get off and change the bus. I can't bother to walk. It's very hot day. Oh my gulay. So let's get off and let's walk. Okay. Look at these flowers over there. So I need to cross to that side to get the other bus opposite. Okay. And then uh, let's cross safely. And I will end this live very soon in about a minute. Thank you for joining me as I walk into the busy streets of London. Ayan, thank you po. Thank you guys. Appreciate you all as always and forever and ever and ever. Okay. Ayan na po. Thank you, RV. Have a great day too. Whew. I'm under the shade. Look, I'm under the shade because it's so hot. Waiting for my bus. It's only 2 bus stops, but I can't be bothered to walk. It's too hot. Yeah. And I have to check how long do I have to wait for the bus because if it's too long, then there's no point of me waiting for the bus. So let's check it out. Check out. 185. Oh my gulay, 10 minutes. No way. I need to walk now. No way. 10 minutes. No way, no way. I have to walk. I have to walk. I can't be bothered. I can't be bothered or else I'll be late. Oh my God.